Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the Bayes theorem. Now in the previous videos we were learning about the conditional probability. Now this is Bayes theorem, this is the modified form of the conditional probability. In the conditional probability we were learning like probability of A given that B equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, or probability of B given that A equal to probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Now we were learning just like these kind of things, but in the Bayes theorem what we do that if we bring this probability of A and multiply it with this one probability of B given that A, then probability of B intersection A would be equal to probability of B given that A into probability of A. So we will put this one in the above equation. So probability of A given that B equal to probability of B given that A into probability of A, because we know that the probability of A intersection B equal to probability of B intersection A. So A intersection B or B intersection A, it is the same thing, it doesn't make any difference. So divided by probability of B. Now here we have the simplest example regarding the Bayes theorem. The example says what is the probability of two boys given that at least one boy. So according to the Bayes theorem, probability of two boys given that at least one boy equal to probability of one boy given that two boys into probability of two boys divided by probability of one boy. So this is the equation according to the Bayes theorem. Now we might have heard about the events, so possibilities. So let's suppose we have the two boys over here. So what is the possibility of two boys? So it will be like boy boy, boy girl, girl boy, and girl girl. So these are the four possible events. So the first one says the probability of one boy from the two boy. Definitely if we have the two boys, so this is the 100% probability that we are getting the one boy. So we can write 1 over here, 1 multiplied by the probability of getting two boys. So among all those four possibilities, the probability of getting two boys is only one, because we are getting the two boys over here and one boy here, one boy here, and no boy over here. So we can write 1 divided by 4. So 1 into 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 4 for this one, divided by probability of getting one boy. So probability of getting one boy from all those four possibilities, what is the probability of getting one boy? So this is the probability of getting one boy at least, and this is the probability of getting one boy, this is of getting one boy, and this is not, we will not count this one because here we have no boy, here we have the two girls. So we can write 3 divided by 4. So after solving this one, we will get answer 1 divided by 3.